In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show busy on Google Calendar. This is a handy trick for setting aside undisturbed time in your schedule for focused work or important tasks. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your availability without divulging too much detail to others who may have access to view your calendar. So let's dive into how it's done. First, you'll want to log into your Google account and open Google Calendar. The interface will display your schedule and you can see your days, weeks, or months laid out. Once you have your calendar in front of you, pick the specific date and time you want to show yourself as busy. Click on that spot in the calendar to open the event creation window. When the event creation window pops up, you'll see several fields you can fill in to organize your time. Start by giving your new time slot a title, though this step is optional. Naming your event something like focus time can help you quickly identify these periods at a glance. It's more for personal organization than for others, especially if the calendar is set to limit visibility to just free busy status. Next, look towards the right side of this window where you'll find the options labeled busy or free. This is where the magic happens. Select busy to mark this time slot as unavailable to anyone who might be looking at your calendar. If you don't immediately see the busy free toggle, it's possible you may need to click on more options first to reveal it. This extra click will give you access to a more detailed menu where you'll definitely find the toggle. After selecting busy, the next step is essential. Make sure to click save. This action finalizes your choice and your time slot will be officially marked as busy. This means that to anyone viewing your shared calendar who has free busy visibility, this time will appear simply as busy without any details of what you're doing during that period. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to ensure you have designated time for uninterrupted work or personal commitments. Remember, keeping parts of your calendar blocked off not only boosts productivity but also signals to others that your time is valuable and structured. With these steps, managing your calendar can be both effective and discreet. Give it a try and make the most out of Google Calendar's functionalities to organize your day-to-day activities. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life.